Hello, I'm Gareth and I'm the Managing Director here at WeFit. Today I'd like to talk about the Leka Xi product that I've got a sample here to show you. And this is a extension / conservatory base kit that we've got, which we can supply to you guys to install on people's properties, which means you're going to be in and out of their property really quick. And then you're going to obviously get a full build as quicker than your 6 to 8 weeks that it'd probably take if you was building a full brick and mortar conservatory. Starting from the foundations, we have a couple of options. So we can supply you and also get it organised is the earth screw service. So the pilings can be screwed into the ground and this base and wall system can be installed directly onto that. Which this means is you can literally go in the morning, put the screws in and start building directly off it. Even if you use pad stones, you have to wait for the concrete to go off. But with this system, we can put everything on top of there and you can be done relatively fast. The other one is using the Leka feet. We can use a pad stone to sit those on, let it go off, and then obviously once that's gone hard, we can start building off of those as well. So both options are better than digging trenches, and obviously if you've got drainages and stuff like that, it could cause issues. The earth screws are really good for if you have got drains, because you can bridge over with the basing system and you don't have to kind of unearth any of the pipes. After the screws, we've got the base. So the base here is a 100 by 50 mil box section, and inside that you'll see that there's insulation as well, so everything's insulated, but the floor comes with a 100 millimeters of PIR insulation between the bars. So they're all cut and labelled and ready to go, so literally just dropping them in on site once you've got the bars and the purlin installed. And then on top of that goes the floorboards. They're all supplied as well. Then from the base, working yourself all the way around, you've got the walls. So the walls come in different formats, different sections, but the main ones are F sections and kind of sections like you see here, where you've got dwarf walls. So these are also insulated inside. These are the same section for the base. They're 100 mil by 50 mil. We've got a 100 mil EPS insulation inside the wall. And then on the inside, we've got a 62.5 mil insulated plasterboard. So 162.5 millimeters from the inside to the outside gives you a very, very small wall thickness, and it achieves 0.15. So the benefit over your bricks and mortar is it's thinner, which means you get more space internal. So your customer can put more furniture in there. You're going to get roughly about 300 mil more width on a traditional build, and also about 150 mil on the projection as well. Externally, on the walls, we've got different options. We have 3 main options, which is the first option, have it with no claddings. You can do whatever you want. So if you're doing a garden building or something like that, you can clad it with whatever you want. Some plastic trims, some coastline, anything like that. We can screw this to the external GRP. The other ones we do is the external render board, which means we supply that with all the fitting and fixtures, and then you just get somebody in just to render that up and choose the colour and paint it, whatever you want to do that. The other option is our GRP claddings. So the GRP claddings, we do bricks, we do natural stone, we also do like a timber effect as well. So you can choose which one, but the beauty of these claddings is they are full sheets, so you get quite a big sheet, which is quick and easy to install. You screw it to the external of that, and then you're just touching in your corners. So you don't have to kind of do any kind of brick slips, or you're going to messing around sticking thousands and thousands of brick slips or anything on there. It's one big sheet, a couple of big sheets to be fair, and then they all fit together. The bricks themselves, these bricks here, come in different finishes. So we have like a rough finish brick and a smooth finish brick, but the colours of them themselves can be done into any colour. So we can actually do a colour match service. So you take a picture of the customer's house, we then get the picture, we send them off, get them all manufactured to the best match we can do. We send them back to you so you can check them with the customer. If they're happy, we'll go ahead, proceed, and make sure that it's obviously manufactured in the exact same colours as what we've sent to you, which leads to a really good finished product, to be fair. That's the crux of it. So you can see how fast and easy that would be on site. So traditionally, an extension would take 6 to 12 weeks, depending on weather and all these type of things. With our XI system, we can supply you a full kit, including a roof if you want to go with a roof. Depending on how you're going to do this, we can supply you a full kit which can be installed in less than a week if you've got everything organised properly. This is a market leader, especially combined with the earth screw solution. the earth screw calculations are done for you. So what that means as well is if you are doing an installation, we'll organise the earth screw to go in and also for the calculation to be done. So what that means in real money is your building inspector won't want to come and check your footings. They are happy with the certificate that says that the earth screws are being installed and they're being test loaded as well. So that certificate is produced to the building inspection company and they just take that as the footings have been done adequately for this weight and everything that's going on top of it, which should be provided by WeFit. When it comes to foundations and all the pitfalls that you can get when you're installing a conservatory or an extension, it kind of gets rid of all of that because you've already got the certificates that the foundations are fine. We're not going to get any of this, or you need to go down another 500 or another metre. Any of these problems, we've already sorted it. It's all done. So literally you're just building straight off and getting on with it, which means obviously no problems for you, no problems for your customer, no late payments. All the problems that we've had in the past hopefully have all gone. So that's the XI. We can have different roof systems on top. We have got the options to put our orangey roof system or like a tiled roof system on there, or we can just do a flat roof system if you want. So we can literally do anything. The orangey roof and the pitch roof are really, really popular due to the fact that if you go for a tiled roof, you're vaulting on the inside, which is really nice. And we can create a nice kind of visual aspect internally as well. And if you go for a roof with like a glass panel like this, yeah, it's going to be a really nice looking project at the end. Adding this to your company's portfolio will be very beneficial to you. Give me a call if you've got any questions. There's lots and lots and lots to know and lots of different styles. We can do pretty much anything. If we can design it, we can probably make it. So send them in, let's get them priced up. Once we send you the price, that's it. So you've got no kind of hidden curveballs. You know what the foundations are going to cost. You know what the walls are going to cost, the base, the roof. You're not going to get to site and then think, oh, blooming heck, I forgot that. We will supply you everything that you need. So yeah, send some quotes in. We'll get them sorted for you and we'll talk soon. Bye.